Arguably, the most essential tool that you need in your writing toolkit whilst at uni is paraphrasing. So, what is it? Paraphrasing is simply putting information into your own words, usually from a smaller piece of information, like a paragraph from a book and not the entire book itself. Or perhaps some results from a scientific paper. A good paraphrase conveys the original meaning of the source information whilst altering the style of writing, vocabulary, and sentence structure. And importantly, not altering the source information enough is a form of plagiarism. But no need to worry, we're going to go over how to paraphrase correctly. And if you practice enough early in your studies, it becomes easier. So step 1, read or listen to the information that you want to use in your assignment. And make sure that you understand the main ideas, highlight keywords, technical information, or any results that you wish to use. Then, step 2, cover up the source material and write down a draft paraphrase from your memory, including the main ideas, keywords, etc. Step 3, check the draft. Make sure the meaning of your draft paraphrase is the same as the source, and add any technical information or anything else that you missed that's important. And step 4, rewrite. If you've copied any words or phrases directly from the source that isn't technical information, change them now with synonyms or perhaps the structure of the paraphrase. And step 5 is to reference. Don't forget to cite your sources properly by including an in-text citation in the referencing style you have been asked to use.